Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build SEO strategies with Moz, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Moz account or creating a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Moz Pro dashboard. Locate the Keywords section on the dashboard. Click on Keyword Explorer to access the keyword research tool. Enter a seed keyword relevant to your niche in the search bar. Hit the search button to view a list of keyword suggestions. Review the keyword metrics such as search volume, difficulty, and organic click-through rate. Select a few relevant keywords that align with your content goals. Next, return to the dashboard and click on Site Audit. Enter the URL of your website to analyze its SEO health. Review the audit report to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Take note of recommendations provided by Moz for optimizing your site. Now, move to the Rankings section to track your selected keywords. Add the keywords you chose earlier to your ranking monitoring list. Set up a schedule to check your rankings periodically. After a few weeks, analyze how your rankings have changed for the chosen keywords. Utilize the Link Explorer tool to analyze your backlink profile. Enter your domain to see your backlink statistics. Identify potential link building opportunities from the insights provided. Develop a content strategy based on the keywords and backlinks you've analyzed. Create high-quality, optimized content that incorporates your target keywords. Promote your content to acquire backlinks and boost your SEO efforts. Monitor your site's performance regularly using the tools within Moz. Adjust your strategies based on the data and insights you gather. Continue refining your SEO approach for ongoing improvement and success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.